Hello everybody. Hey, look at my cheeky Tree of Cats, second version. And the commissions tend to be remakes of works I've already made before. That's kind of how it happens. And the clients for this were dog walkers. And they were looking at this piece every day as they walked past. And then one day it had sold, so they commissioned it again. This time we've got the client's cat, who's a ginger Maine Coon, centre stage, and Yamush has been relegated to the far right over there. Mr. Hodge is doing one of his rollovers. Cougar's having a stretch. And I called them round when it was still on the mesh to see if they were happy. And they wanted me to eliminate this cat. And I pointed out that it would spoil the balance. And if ever you're thinking of eliminating anything, all we did was we just covered it over, and you can see how it completely alters the balance and composition of the entire piece. So I was able to persuade them, and I'm pleased because I think this is one of my favorite bits of it. Anyway, there we are, there we have it, the second cheeky Tree of Cats.